KZ. Yeah. Yeah. This is KZ and Elude, yeah. Back in my city, back again. Niggas say KZ can't rap, I'm back again. I say I'm back like I never left. I launch like I never stopped. I fight like I'm Tony Stark. With the fist, I'm Iron Man. I'm so scary, I just sound like I'm Boogeyman. Niggas really wanna see me there. We're elevating on this flows, elevating on this moment. I'm just back, niggas. Damn.
Tokota, and I be really spinning on this block. Tokota, me and Elude, we just doing it. Tokota, and I be really fighting on this shit. Tokota, and I be really spinning back. Tokota, yeah. Tokota, niggas really wanna see me down. Tokota, and I be fighting on this shit. Tokota, and I say Tokota, yeah. They just really is bad. They thought I would go down, never raise all my head up. They thought I was bad. They thought I would really just go, just basic, yeah. When we started this, I never thought that I could do this. When I take out one, I'll take a jolly cabate. Carry beat the cabate. We'll take a cabate. Tibben bad, give it back again. Flop and jack, I never back, feature I level in. Flop and jack, I learn a little bit in the landa. Flop and jack, a little bit, I number get on the tail. Flop and jack, a little bit, on until it's a long vela.